Hey guys, this is Scott with CMR Custom Designs. I'm here on site today to build a tote storage unit for someone. This particular one's going to be 3 wide and 3 tall. So I have the end pieces. You'll notice there's only one rung, nothing on this side. So this is the inside. This will go the outside. So there'll be one on each side. There's going to be 2 of these rungs. These are interior, I call them ladders. These pieces here are the tops and bottoms. I pre-marked them so the ladders are going to sit between these 2 lines here and here, and then they'll go on the very end as well. So I'm going to assemble this, show you how it's done. You're going to lay 2 of these with the markings facing up. On the end pieces, at the bottom are pocket holes, and at the top are pocket holes. So these are, like I said, are going to go on the outsides. You just put the screw in. If you're assembling this at your house, I'm going to provide you the screws that you need. Now you're going to line this up with the lines that I drew at the bottom for you. Do the same thing on the other side. Very simple. Okay, we got one more. Okay, now you're going to put the other two pieces on the tops. On the tops, there's pocket holes on each end. We'll do the same thing on the other end down here. One more. Now the interior ladders, you can't put pocket holes because these rungs get in the way. So you're going to put screws through the top. And I lost my camera. It's kind of windy here today. Probably going to lose it again. So for the top, you're going to look where the lines are that I marked for you, and then screw down through the top. And now that's secure. Do the same thing on the other side. And there you go. So this is going to hold 9 totes. Some people will put casters on the bottom to roll it easy. Some people will put a top on here to have storage up on the top. This particular customer did not opt for that. So I hope you like this video. I hope you'll subscribe to our channel. I hope you'll leave a comment. And most importantly, I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.